Hey guys, Vicky Loden here. Today we will be making blueberry strudels, but we're going to replace it with strawberry.
The name of the cookbook we're using is one of the cookbooks we used before, I think, for the 1 bowl cookies. So that's what we're going to be using. Simple ingredients. It asks for 1.5 cups of blueberries, but as Mr. Lowe said, we're going to swap that out for strawberries. Cornstarch, sugar, all-purpose flour, and then you're gonna need the Phyllo pastries. I believe that's how you pronounce it. Which looks like this. I got these off Amazon. And then you're gonna need vegan margarine, vegan butter, and confectioner sugar, which is powdered sugar. Let's get rocking.
Let's get started.
Now that all our strawberries are cut, what are we doing?
We're putting them in here.
Dump it all in. And then you're gonna mix that all up. And then you're gonna start opening your sheets to fold everything in. That's your 1 tablespoon cornstarch. And your 1/2 cup of sugar. 1 strawberry, try to escape. Now we're gonna mix it all up. Now our next step is to take a board and flour it before you start applying your sheets of Phyllo paper. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. And then we have to preheat our oven to what?
375.
Yeah, so preheat the oven. And while that's doing that, we're gonna melt a 1/2 cup of our vegan butter while we dust our board, and start layering our pastry. Now that our board is floured, our butter is melted, we got 2 sheets slightly overlapping. You're gonna take your butter and brush it onto your bread. And then you are going to apply 2 more sheets over it and brush that with more butter. And then top it with 2 more pastry sheets, so 6 in total. And then you're gonna start to apply your fruit at the edge of the line, and you're gonna start folding it over. Use your remaining butter to grease up your pastry pan. Transfer over your strudel and then throw it in the oven for 20 minutes or until golden brown. See you in 20. All right. Strudel. Look at that.
Oh,
look at that.
Crunchy.
Look at this. Look at that crispy, flaky. Good? That's pretty good. It's like strawberry jam almost in a flaky, sweet bread basically. I like it. Pretty good? Cheers. Well, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and ring that.
Notification bell. And have a sweet day.
Have a sweet day.